What's up, everyone? It's Hey John. I jabber opportunities nonstop, and today I will be discussing Dogecoin. The main question we have today is, should we sell? Should we buy? What should I do? Why am I freaking out? Well, let me go ahead and give you guys some of my knowledge and share with you guys some facts so you know what the heck is going on. Dogecoin, is it buy time or sell time? Well, simply put, there is tons of FUD right now. We all know altcoin season is around the corner, but yet at the same token, we are now seeing a possible resurgence of the rhetoric called crypto winter. Essentially, crypto winter just means that Bitcoin and other big coins start selling off because of fear mongering. The last time this happened for Bitcoin, it went up like 20x and then it fell down 87%. Just to give you guys some perspective of what this crypto winter can possibly entail. And the winter lasted 3 to 4 years. Of course, this is not me trying to give you FUD or anything, but we have to know what history did in the past. Because if you don't know history, then you cannot know where you can possibly go in the future. I don't believe this is a crypto winter per se. I believe this is more of a all-time high and then profit taking from the whales and the folks who made quick profits by hodling. And you know what? It happens every single time. When you reach new all-time highs, we always see a strong sell-off. And that is very healthy and very natural, folks. You want folks to take profits. If they never take profits, it only goes up one way, then that means that when you sell off, it'll be an astronomical slide down. And you don't want that. You want to go up, a little pullback, go up, a little pullback. And that's okay because everyone's got to eat and not everyone is doing what I say, which is only put money that you can afford to lose. Some folks are putting in rent money. Some folks are putting in bread money. Some folks are putting in their gas money. So these folks need their funds to live their lives. And is it a surprise that these folks are high risk, high reward? No. It's cryptocurrency. It's the wild, wild west. This is where you make fortunes. So of course, people are going to go balls deep and they're going to be very aggressive. And that is why you see sharp rises and sharp pullbacks. Now, let me go ahead and cover Dogecoin now and tell you guys why I think this is a moment here. Let's check it out now. All right, folks, check it out now. We are looking at the Dogecoin shorts, and we can see combined that Binance and FTX is about 77% of the market in terms of central exchanges here. Now, we can see the shorts currently at 52.8%. And you can see that the longs are 47.3%. So this means the shorts are more than the longs. So what does that mean? Let me go ahead and show you guys in a minute. So I want to emphasize a point that we are currently at 52.74% short as of this recording. But the last time I recorded, we were at around 55% in shorts. You're thinking, oh, okay, what's 2%, right, John? Well, 2% is a lot when you have billions of coins involved. So let me go and show you guys why I think this is going to be a great opportunity on the charts. All right, guys, so here we are looking at the daily perspective of Dogecoin. And what do we see here? I want to tell you guys I have some good news for you guys, and let me explain to you right now. So we're looking at the Dogecoin daily chart, and I have some good news for you guys, and I want to share with you because there is some light at the end of the tunnel, okay? Currently, the price of Dogecoin is $23.77 as of this recording. And if you look at the chart here on a daily perspective, guess what it did? It touched 22.15 and it bounced off almost immediately. This right here, my friends, is the 3% of the shorts covering, in my opinion. I cannot prove it to you because I don't have the data, but looking at the chart, and the chart is data driven, that is what it means. And let me explain to you why this is the fact in the case of it. Because many short sellers are very high in technical analysis. And do you know why I know this? Because when I was a huge shorter in my younger days, I was balls deep in technical analysis. And guess what, folks? I drew for you guys the 22.15 support. And guess what it did? It tapped it and bounced off immediately. If I was a short seller, that is where I would cover my short. And the smart ones did exactly that. All right, folks. So now the question is, what in the heck should you do? Well, I'll tell you, folks. It's not financial advice, but I'll tell you what I would be doing and what I am doing. So essentially 2215 is going to be your support zone. So what I do is I leave limit buys around there. If it triggers, fantastic. If it doesn't, well, guess what? I missed a dip and shame on me. That's okay because I cost dollar average over time. If you're a person going long and you are a hodler investor and not a trader, you want to cost dollar average because you never know what will happen tomorrow. It can go to the moon or it can go back to hell. You never know. And that is why I always tell folks to only nibble and don't bite. If you bite, well, you can essentially hurt yourself, and nobody wants to hurt themselves, right? And that's kind of why you cost dollar average, and you always want to have dry powder in your pants. With that being said, the resistance will be at 2622. So if you are a trader or a day trader, this could be an opportunity to go from 2215 to 2622. And I believe for some time in the future, we may do some consolidation between 2215 and 2622 again, only because we're seeing Bitcoin sell off and we're seeing the infrastructure bill fearmonger many cryptocurrency traders. But let me explain to you right now that it's not a big deal, folks. People are just overreacting, and that's why right now it is a time to get into Dogecoin. It's a time to buy the dip because, as I just said, this is a dip buying opportunity, and people are overreacting to the infrastructure bill. It is just that simple, folks. If you look closely at what the bill says, where if you transfer over 10K, then it needs to be reported. Big deal. If you go to the bank and if you deposit over 5,000 US dollars, guess what you have to do? You have to fill out a piece of paper and report it to the government. This is no different. This is just an overreaction and fudsters being fudsters. So with all that being said, folks, you should not be fearful. The only thing you have to be fearful about is because if you do a lot of day trading and you do a lot of washing of your trades, that means that you will have a very large tax bill if you are making money. If you're losing money, well, it doesn't matter as much, but it still sucks. And the thing is that you are washing your trades and you do not want to do that, folks. I want to leave a secret word, and the word is Dyson. Leave me a comment down below because I want to know who are the real ones, and I promise you, I will reply to you. 100% guaranteed. WEBULL. I've been using them for over 1 year now, and all you gotta do is use my link down below in the description, click that link, deposit $100, and you will get 2 free stocks courtesy of WEBULL. And most importantly, you can trade commission-free cryptocurrency, Dogecoin, Shiba Inu, Bitcoin, and stocks, all commission-free. So what are you waiting for? Check it out. Make sure you guys go ahead and subscribe, like, and hit that notification bell. And most importantly, I want you all to have an awesome day, and I will catch you on the next one.